Good morning, good afternoon guys, welcome back to another video. You join me today on the M25 actually at the moment. We're on the way to Gravesend. We've got about an hour's journey, Gravesend in Kent. We're going to be working on a Land Rover Defender 110. We've got some styling parts to put on it, some wheel arch extensions, spoiler, a different grille. Yeah, just a couple of customization bits. So I'll join you when I'm there. So you join me, we've arrived at the job. I will show you the car now. Got some wheel arch extensions to put on. There's loads of parts for this. New side grills, some caliper covers which I'm interested to see. Give the wheels a light refurb. New bonnet vents to go on. A DRL front grille. Let's take you to the back. A new spoiler to go on. So here's all the wheel arch flares. We'll get the old ones removed and start fitting these on. So using a trim removal tool, the old ones simply just pop out like so. I've put on this side already, so as you can see it's a big difference, a lot more flare on them. Yeah, they go on with the trim clips which you get new in the packet and 3M tape around the top. So there we go, you get the new bag of clips. You just got to pop all of your clips on first, run the 3M tape all the way around the edge. I peel a bit back there because it makes it easier on installation. You also get a promoter wipe as well, which helps with adhesion, that you wipe on the bodywork first. So I'll get this clipped in now. And there we go, that is the wheel arch extensions fitted. Rear and the fronts. So the next job, we've got this nice spoiler to fit. Sit in position like so. It looks great. I'm going to stick this on with some 3M tape and tiger seal as well to make sure it's permanently bonded to the surface. And there we go, spoiler is done. So the next thing we've got is these different side grills, just unclipped. That one, we're going to be swapping it over for this one. Just a bit more flared out. So yeah, we'll put the new clips on and get it on. So another cool little thing, we've got the standard bright red tail lights here, and these are some colours that go over, which are quite cool. Just to smoke them out a bit, you need a nice clean up first, then peel off the 3M tape. And for the small little side reflectors and reverse ones, there's some other little smoked caps. So it's quite cool, quite nice little touches. So again, as with anything like this, clean it first so you get proper adhesion. I'm just using panel wipe at the moment just to clean in all of these gaps so that the covers stick on properly. Exactly the same with these. And we can peel the backing tape off and get them put on. There we go, that's them installed. Side there and that side there. Smokes them out a lot more. You can see the difference between the red reflector, that's what they were like, to where they are now. The next modification is changing over these from this checker plate to these more aggressive style bonnet vents. Looks as if there's a lot of 3M tape on the back, so I presume that is how they're mainly held on. Pop the bonnet up and have a look though. There we go, so the old ones are removed. They're held on mainly with tape and a few clips. I'll give it a nice clean down now. Peel the backing tape off of these and we shall get them installed. And there we go, as you can see, a lot more flared out. Great little touch. Right, so the next thing we're going to get onto is we have got the Hunter Prestige, if you see down there, front light bar to get fitted. So let's get on with that. So I've just removed this front scuttle panel. There's about 4 or 5 T30 bits, some quick releases. I've released this, which is the ICC connector. Got some masking tape down the sides to protect the paintwork. Now we have got to release these 4 clips from either side, then the front grille will come out. So I'll get on with that now. And there we go, that is the front grille released. These are the clips you're getting to on the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will need a little pick tool like this. Yeah, that's that removed now. So we've got to remove this ICC here, change that, remove some Torx bits and swap over this top section to a light bar. So there we go, the new light bar and badge is switched over to the original grille. And that is it, the front LED grille is fitted. So it's all wired back up properly. Wiring route as it comes along up this side, you can just see part of the cable there. It is wired into a piggyback fuse into the fuse box, and there is the negative terminal. So not a bad install. I'll try and turn the lights on in a minute and see if it lights up. So these are the next things. They're like a front splitter to go on. It's going to look quite nice. Cutouts around the parking sensor. Lines up quite nice with the wheel arch extensions. These just go on with 3M tape that's provided and 3 screws underneath. So let's get these on. And there we go, the front splitter is fitted, so it's a section that side and that side. Hell of a lot more aggressive. Right, next step is now we're going to get the wheels off, give them a nice clean, get this little bit of curbing damage sorted and fit the brake caliper covers, which I'm excited for. So that is the first caliper cover on. They're secured by the slider bracket at the top, which is bolted on and bolted on at the bottom. That is the way of fitting them, and it's very solid on there. The customer has provided the Land Rover graphics as well. So I suppose it does give you a way of making the calipers look a lot bigger, and they seem decent quality too. Just giving these a light sand down first, laid down some etch primer. Let that dry for a minute, then we'll get on the gloss black and some lacquer. That's it, we just laid down some gloss black on these. Let that dry for a little bit and then get the clear lacquer on. So there is the rear caliper fitted. They fit on very well, to be honest. I mean, most of the caliper you see is right at the front. Yeah, it doesn't cover to the side, but they bolt on very secure, so I wouldn't have no concerns about that. But yeah, each to your own, I suppose. And that is a wrap, guys. I'll show you around the car now. I hope you like it. So that's a wrap on the Defender, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you do, be sure to give it a like. Any questions, drop them in the comments section. And if you can subscribe to the channel, that would be great. And I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.